So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. And now you want to expand services. And now you want to click on SVS VC. We're going to scroll down until we find SVS VC. You want to click on it, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the SVSC folder. And now once you're on this, you want to find start, double click on it. You want to make this number right here 4. So make sure that you have start, and under validator, you have the number 4, and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows, and then the watermark will be removed.